These are the 5 most expensive superbikes on Earth, and number 1 will blow your mind. Like, subscribe, and comment which bike you'd ride. Number 5. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R. A track-only monster with supercharged power, insane speed, and a price near $55,000. Number 4. The Ducati Superleggera 5.4. Carbon fiber everywhere, MotoGP tech, and about $100,000 of pure Italian performance. Number 3. The BMS Nemesis. A futuristic design wrapped in luxury, priced around $3 million. Number 2. The ECOS ES1 Spirit, a Formula One inspired superbike costing $3.6 million. Number 1. The Harley-Davidson Cosmic Starship, hand-painted art on wheels worth $3.7 million.